कितना हिला रहा हो?
Hello friends, as you have earlier seen my videos of anatomy and physiology, most important question for nursing competitive exams, and now it's my next video from question number 21. So the question number 21 is intercostal muscles are found. Option A, in between ribs. Option B, in between thoracic vertebra. Option C, in between thoracic and cervical vertebra, and option D is in front of ribs. So the answer of this is in between ribs. Now next question is 22. Parathyroid hormone acts on kidney causing option A, calcium retention, phosphate loss. Option B, calcium loss, phosphate retention. Option C, loss of both calcium and phosphate. And option D is retention of calcium and phosphate. The answer of this question is calcium retention and phosphate loss. Option A. Next question 23. The blood vessels leading away the glomerulus is known as option A, afferent, option B, efferent, option C, glomerular arteriole, and option D is motor artery. The answer of this question is efferent, option B. Next question. The functional unit of kidney is option A, medulla, option B, calyces, option C, nephrons, and option D is hilum. The answer of this is option C, nephron. All up next question 25. All are true about melatonin except. Now question number 25th. All are true about melatonin except option A, secreted by pineal gland, option B, maintains sleep-wake cycle, option C, cause awakening, option D, secretion decrease in light. The answer of this question is option C, cause awakening. Next question 26. Adipocytes are option A, mast cells, option B, fat cells, option C, WBCs, and option D is RBCs. The answer of this question is option B, fat cells. Regarding number of various type of WBCs in blood, which increasing order is correct? Option A, lymphocyte, monocytes, basophils, neutrophils. Option B, monocytes, lymphocytes, basophils, neutrophils. Option C, basophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, neutrophils. And option D is basophils, monocytes, lymphocytes, and neutrophils. The answer of this question is option number D, that is basophils, monocytes, lymphocytes, neutrophils. Next question 28. Sebaceous glands are most numerous in the skin of following except option A, face, option B, soles of the feet, option C, axilla, and the option D is groins. The answer of this question is B, soles of the feet. Next question. Functions of liver are except option A, fat metabolism, option B, breakdown of erythrocytes, option C, secretion of bile, and option D is digestion of proteins. The answer of this question is option number D, that is digestion of proteins. Next question 30, that is auditory tube is also known as option A, middle ear, option B, external ear, option C, inner ear, and option D is eustachian tube. The answer of this question is eustachian tube, that is option D. Next question, that is 31st question, that is implantation of fertilized ovum take place in option A vagina, option B uterus, option C ovary, and option D is fallopian tube. The answer of this question is option number B, that is uterus. Next question 32. Circle of Willis is formed by all except option A anterior cerebral artery, option B middle cerebral artery, option C posterior cerebral artery, and option D is posterior communicating artery. The answer of this question is posterior communicating artery, that is option number D. Next question 33. Abnormal sensitivity to light is known as option A hydrophobia, option B diplopia, option C aphasia, and option D is photophobia. The answer of this question is photophobia, that is option D. Next question number 34. Example of mast associated lymphoid tissue MALT is option A tonsils, option B spleen, option C thymus gland, and option D is bone marrow. So the answer of this question is option tonsils, A. Next question 35th. The total volume of CSF cerebrospinal fluid is option A 50 ml, option B 100 ml, option C 150 ml, and option D is 275 ml. The answer of this question is option C 150 ml. Next question 36. The primary stimulus to increase the rate of erythropoiesis is option A hypoxia, option B hypokalemia, option C hypothermia, and option D is hypercapnia. The answer of this question is hypoxia, that is option A. Next question 37. Barr body is found in the following phase of cell cycle. Option A interphase, option B metaphase, option C G1 phase, and option D is telophase. The answer of this question is option A interphase. Next question 38. When left ventricle of the heart contracts, what effect will occur on aorta? Option A it will recoil, option B it will expand, option C remain unchanged, option D it will push blood back to the heart. The answer of this question will be option B, it will expand. Next question 39. The structures of ear are encased in option A temporal bone, option B parietal bone, option C ethmoid bone, and option D is frontal bone. The answer of this question will be option A temporal bone. Next question 40, that is at synapses the space between pre and postsynaptic neuron is known as option A synaptic knobs, option B synaptic cleft, option C synaptic vesicles, and option D is Schwann cells. The answer of this question will be option B, that is synaptic cleft. Next question 41. Which event takes place when ventricles are contracted? First option A, that is the atrioventricular valves open, option B atrioventricular valves closed, option C the atrioventricular valves remain unchanged, and option D is the pressure in the atrium rise. The answer of this question will be option number B, that is atrioventricular valves close. Next question number 42. At which level pulmonary artery is divided into right and left branches? Option A at second thoracic vertebra, option B at seventh cervical vertebra. Option C at 5th thoracic vertebra, and option D is at 12th thoracic vertebra. The answer of this question will be option number C, that is at 5th thoracic vertebra. Next question, question number 43. The passive movement of water from its high concentration, low concentration across a semi-permeable membrane is known as option A diffusion, option B facilitated diffusion, option C osmosis, and option D is hydration. The answer will be option number C, that is osmosis. Question number 44. Absence of lymph node is characteristic of option A brain, option B liver, option C lung, and option D is placenta. Answer will be option A brain. Next question 45. Identify the part of human stomach which connects or joins with esophagus. Option A fundus, option B cardia, option C body, and option D is fundus. The answer will be option B cardia. Next question 46. In following which sensory area is not found in temporal lobe of cerebrum? Option A auditory, option B olfactory, option C speech, and option D is taste area. The answer will be option number D. Next, taste sensation from tongue is carried out by all of the following cranial nerves except option A 5th, option B 7th, option C 9th, and option D is 10th. The answer of this question is 5th cranial nerve, that is option A. Next question 48. The length of medulla oblongata is about option A 45 cm, option B 90 cm, option C 25 cm, and option D is 45 mm. The answer of this question will be option A 45 cm. Next question 49. Let down reflex is the responsibility of hormone. Option A prolactin, option B oxytocin, option C progesterone, and option D is estrogen. The answer of this question will be option A prolactin. Next question, that is 50th last one question, that is action of ADH. Option A reabsorption of anion in DCT, distal convoluted tubule, option B reabsorption of water in DCT, option C reabsorption of glucose in DCT, and reabsorption of HCO3 in DCT. The answer of this question will be reabsorption of water in DCT, that is option B. Thanks for watching.